Okay, so I want to show you how to pretty quickly open up a number of Excel files into single files. I'm actually dealing with some CSV files for the data loggers. So here we have a bunch of files. You can see some of them are CSV files, comma separated, and then we have a couple Excel. But I have a master file here that I want to open up. And what I want to do is have this one file and have a tab for each of these individual other files. Okay, so let me show you a quick way to do that. Now you open this up, and then you could open up the other ones one by one and sort of copy and paste the data. But I'm going to show you a quicker, less tedious way to do it. So let's say I want to add this and this and this and this. Oh, let's just add all of them, right? And maybe just for good measure, we'll open up an Excel file too. So you can select all of these. Okay, then you can right click and click open. And that's a one shortcut is to open all of them up at once. Okay, so now you can see they're opening one by one. All right, still going. Okay, so now we have all these files here. Oops, there we go. Right, so we're still opening. Let's see. Okay, looks like that's all the files. So we have all these files here, all these Excel files, and I really just want, I'm actually get rid of this, remove that. So I want to put all of the files into this one, with each having its own tab. Okay, so now I could go individually and go in and sort of select all, Control A, or like select and then copy and paste it in and that way. But there's a quicker way. So what I can do is right click on the tab down here, like I'm going to move or copy it. So I right click. So normally if I'm going to make a copy, I can make a copy or whatever, but I can just move it. So I click this and then I'm just moving it. And it's asking me where to move this individual tab. Well, I'm going to, for my drop down list, there's my main master file. So boom, click that, hit OK. That moves right over to that file. Okay, so now you can see I have this tab and this tab. And I can just do that one by one, right? So now I move this, right click, move a copy, move it to the file. Okay. Now if I happen to want to keep the original and move a copy to my master file, then I can click this, go to move or copy, and then just check this create a copy box right there. And then again, select this, and then this now will hold on to this original copy here, but also move a copy into my master file here. Okay, so you can just do that one by one, and that's a really quick way to add a bunch of files pretty quickly to a master file. Okay, so hopefully that helps save you some time.